Alright guys, right now I'm sitting in the back of Dante's car in the E36 and we're getting ready to do what?
Steering wheel.
Who's it by?
Renown.
Oh yes. Yep, so we're about to get started on this and get rid of that thing right there. He already has a ZHP shift knob in here that he upgraded as well. That thing looks freaking beautiful, especially with that little aluminum, what is that? Yeah, a little aluminum trim thing at the bottom. Super dope. Dante's trying to electrocute himself. They said to disconnect the battery, but he said fuck it, so let's see what happens to this guy right here on camera. Steering wheel just came off. I don't know, we both don't know what the hell this stuff is.
Some film.
Panamera turbo, high flow cats, tune, air filter, diverter valves, and full exhaust. Big old 22s on it. Gone. Okay guys, so Dante got what? That's the adapter for the steering wheel?
The hub, pretty much.
He got that on right there. I just put in that little bolt in there, screwing in the wheel, mounting, and this bunk car. Alright guys, so the steering wheel is on and it looks clean. Matches the shift knob and everything. Interior's nice and set. What you think, Dante?
I love it. Looks clean.
Oh yeah.
Especially the stitching. That's what makes it look good. That's good.
Get it together, bro. Spilling my shit everywhere.